A brief hagiography of Sakya Paṇḍita by His Holiness the 42nd Sakya Trizin Ratnavajra Rinpoche. Introduction to the teaching. Sakya Paṇḍita, a luminary of the 13th century, remains one of the most revered figures in Tibetan Buddhism. As the fourth Sakya patriarch, he is celebrated for his profound wisdom, both scholarly and spiritual achievements, and unwavering dedication to the Dharma. His pivotal role, extending beyond the Sakya tradition into Tibetan Buddhism as a whole, has left an enduring legacy. His life, embodying the virtues of moral integrity and spiritual excellence, continues to inspire practitioners. His remarkable life has been documented in various accounts, each highlighting different facets of his extraordinary qualities. This particular text draws upon a hymn to Sakya Paṇḍita composed by the esteemed Sakya teacher, Yarlungpa Sengé Gyaltsen, recounted by His Holiness the 42nd Sakya Trizin. The hymn offers a glimpse into his noble qualities and achievements. The translation and editorial team has meticulously rendered this hymn, accompanied by illustrations that bring to life some of his most remarkable attributes. Through this work, we are invited to reflect on his virtuous life and be inspired to cultivate noble qualities. May we follow in the footsteps of such great beings.
Download a free copy at the Sakya Teachings e-library. Scan the QR code or visit our website sakyatradition.org.